Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel once again. Hope you all are doing well. And if you are new to the channel, you are welcome here. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you so much. You guys have been my backbone, and I wouldn't have been here without your love and your support. In today's video, we are making simple and tasty chicken soup. So let's check on the ingredients I will use. I have my chicken meat. I also have fresh tomatoes, tomato paste, red habanero pepper, salt, some carrots, basil leaf. I also have bay leaf, blended spices, chicken seasoning, and my cube stock. So let's get started. In my pot, I have my chicken which is neatly washed. I will also add salt, my blended spices, that is my ginger, garlic, onion, rosemary, fennel seed, coriander seed, and aniseed. I will then add my bay leaf and my basil, my chicken season, and my stock cube. Mix everything together and let it simmer for some minutes. After some time, the meat is doing so well. I'll just give it a quick stir, and I'm going to add my tomato paste, and I will let this simmer for some minutes more. So guys, at this point, I'm going to add my vegetables, that is my tomatoes, carrot, onion, and my habanero pepper. You can also decide to cook it separately. It all depends on you. If you have time, you can just cook it separately. But if your time is limited, just like mine, you can just add it to your meat and cook them together. The vegetables are well cooked, so I'm going to take them one after the other from the fire and blend everything together. After blending, I'm going to strain it. The soup is ready and I will be taking mine with fufu. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and share this video among your friends. Till I come your way again. See you in my next video and peace be with you all.